Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a smartwatch with a Redmi phone. First, ensure your smartwatch is fully charged, providing several hours of battery life. Next, update your Redmi phone to its most recent software version for optimal compatibility. Then, download the specific companion application for your smartwatch from the Google Play Store. Finally, keep both devices close, within a distance of about 2 feet, to establish a stable connection for initial pairing. Begin by accessing the Settings application on your Redmi phone. Scroll down to find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. Next, ensure the Bluetooth toggle switch is in the on position, making your phone discoverable. Your Redmi phone will then automatically begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Please wait a few moments as it populates the list of available connections, which can take up to 10 seconds. Now, focus on your smartwatch. Power it on by pressing and holding the side button for a few seconds until the display illuminates. Navigate through its menus to find the pairing mode or connect setting. Tap on this option to activate discovery. Your smartwatch screen should then indicate it is ready to pair, often with a blinking Bluetooth symbol or a clear message. Keep the watch active and close to your Redmi phone during this step. Open the smartwatch's companion application on your Redmi phone. Inside the app, look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Device, typically found on the main dashboard. A list of nearby smartwatches, including yours, should appear. Select your specific model. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to finalize the pairing. This step usually involves confirming a code on both devices and then allowing an initial data synchronization, which may take about 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.